Hello everyone, welcome to solve this very nice radical equation. 2 into square root of a into square root a is equal to a. So we will find the value of a. Let's come to the solution. As we have 2 into square root of a into square root of a is equal to a. So dividing both sides by 2. So this will become 2 from denominator and 2 from numerator cancel out each other. We will left with square root of a into square root a is equal to a divided by 2. Now squaring on both sides. At the left hand side, this square root and square cancel out each other, and here a into a square root will be left is equal to this a divided by 2 whole square. We can write this as a square divided by 2 square. Now this will become a into square root of a is equal to a squared divided by 2 squared, which is 4. Now again squaring on both sides. So this will become a squared into square root of a squared is equal to a squared divided by 4 squared. Because if we have x multiplied by y whole power let n, so this is equal to x power n into y power n. This implies a squared, this square root and square cancel out each other. Only a will be left is equal to, this will become 2 multiplied by 2, we get 4 divided by 4 squared. This means 16. So now we have a squared multiplied by a is equal to a power 4 divided by 16. Now when the bases are same, then their power will be added. If the bases are multiplying each other, so this will become 2 plus 1, 3. A cube is equal to a power 4 divided by 16. Now by doing cross multiplication, we get a power 4 is equal to 16a cube. Now moving this 16a cube from right hand side to left hand side, and this will become a power 4 minus 16a cube is equal to 0. Now we can factor out a cube from these two terms. So inside the bracket here a minus 16 will be left, and this whole thing is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule, we get a cube is equal to 0 and a minus 16 is equal to 0. Taking cube root on both sides, so this will become a is equal to 0, and from this by adding 16 on both sides, we get a is equal to 16. We have found two values of a. First one is 0 and the second value is 16. Now this left hand side, we can write this as square root of a square root and into square root of a into 2. This is equal to a. But the value of square root is 1 by 2. So using this value here, this will become a power 1 by 2 and this will become a power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2 is equal to a. So now 2 into a power 1 by 2 into a power 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, this is equal to a. So now 2 into a power 1 by 2 and this will become a power 1 multiplied by 1 1 and 2 multiplied by 2 4 is equal to a. Now when the bases are same and multiplying each other, then their power will be added. So this will become 2 into a power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to a. This will become 2 into a power, we will take LCM, which is 4, and 1 by 2 multiply by 4, we get 2 plus 1 is equal to A. So now this will become 2 into A power 3 by 4 is equal to A. Now dividing both sides by 2. So this will become, this 2 and 2 cancel out. A power 3 by 4 is equal to A divided by 2. This we can write as A power 3 multiplied by 1 by 4 is equal to A divided by 2. Now taking exponent 4 on both sides. So this 4 from denominator and this 4 cancel out each other. Here A cube is equal to, this will become A power 4 divided by 2 power 4, and this is equal to A power 4 divided by 2 power 4, which is 16. Now by doing cross multiplication, we get A power 4 is equal to 16A cube, and by moving this 16A cube from right hand side to left hand side, this will become negative 16A cube is equal to 0. Now taking A cube as a common, so inside here A minus 16 will be left is equal to 0. By using zero product rule, here we get A cube is equal to 0 and A minus 16 is equal to 0. From A cube is equal to 0, we get A is equal to 0. And from A minus 16 is equal to 0, we get A is equal to 16 by moving negative 16 from left hand side to right hand side. This will become 0 plus 16, which is 16. So we have found that A is equal to 0 and A is equal to 16, which is the same solution which we have found by the first method. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.